Thanks, Rico. We can drop that for you anywhere from now on.
Wow, I'm not dead.
Nice.
Bird was in the water.
Oh, hey, look,
Yeah.
a bus.
This'll do.
These. Take this. Take this. And away! Oh wow, it's an amazing improvement, guys. It's so fast now. Oops, sorry. Hey, Shredder. We've got nitrous on a bus. Speed of public transit, 20 miles an hour.
And that was NOS, 25 miles an hour.
No, that was with NOS. Let's see if we can pull a handbrake turn. Nope. I tried. Hey, I'm on the highway, guys. Now we're really gonna see some speed. Let's get
A
this
stone
baby.
is 100 pounds, right?
A stone?
I'm trying to remember
One stone?
Weight.
Like English?
weight and measurement. Yeah, like
A
English
stone
weights.
is 12 pounds.
Is
Or
it?
14.
Oh.
14, my bad. I only know that because of the Rooster Teeth guys. Wow, guys, we're actually booking. We're moving. Hello. Goodbye. Holy shite. Yeah, the speed. If this were Back to the Future, I'd definitely never get anywhere.
Respond immediately.
The plot line would never advance if they had used a bus. We're actually kind of cruising, folks. Oops! I think I hit something. What just happened? Oh, I ran over a motorcycle. Oops. No, you can drive any speed anywhere. It's just the bus is slow. Oh. Oops. Game, please. Game, please. What did I just hit? Game, please.
Hey.
guys.
Restricted area.
Dude, he just gave me almost 200 pelts, too.
Nice.
Yeah.
We'll definitely have to repay him somehow.
They're close to mountains. I think he said the only reason they're killing is for meat at this point. So maybe we can do a huge, like, cooked meat delivery or prime jerky or something for them.
Yeah, we could do that. Just kill a bunch of eds.
Return the favor, yeah.
Oh man, the crazy traffic mod was insane. Oh, what did I hit? Oh god, we're losing it. It's like speed all over again. No! Oops.
Drop below 55 miles an hour?
Perfect parking space.
I fell off a bridge.
Oh.
So technically I did drop below 50 miles per hour. There's beacons here? I'll take one. Cool, thank you. Alright. Let's military cars. Utility
Blow
vehicles.
up the gas station. Destroy it.
Oh, I will.
Fireball.
I'm looking to see what all I have, though. I have a tank. A boat. And some helicopters. So let's get a sports car. Throw the beacon. Come over here.
Perfect.
I can't wait till I get more of these. Hasta la vista, baby! Oh, I can't do it in the car?
Oh, that looked bad.
Would you quit pushing me, dickbag? Man, drivers suck. And I missed my explosion because I got shoved by another car. Great. Holy shit! Definitely gonna try to get this baby back on the highway. Holy.
Oh, damn.
Hello, goodbye. Is there a highway access over here? If not, I'll make my own. There is. Here we go! Good God! Talk about speed. Oh! Goodness! Okay, corners at 300 miles an hour do not work. Holy bejeez, guys.
I love seeing you like try to hastily brake after hearing me like, oh no, I can't corner.
It's not my fault.
Because the delay, it's great. I get to hear your reaction and see how you screwed up.
Gee, thanks.
You're welcome.
Guys, we're booking it now. Holy crap, are we moving? Oh no! Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck is happening?
Oh god.
I hit a tree!
Oh, that tree. That tree. So, come to the Carno Island Cave, answer a riddle, and get a prize. Admins are doing all kinds of crazy shit.
I'm glad they're taking a more active approach to the server now.
Yeah. I don't know, I think it just might make people a little OP if they're getting out journeyman level items.
Maybe that was only for that one thing.
Yeah.
Because if that was the only thing in the drop, and, you know, it was somewhere difficult, that makes it worth it. But if anybody can go to the frickin' Carno Island and answer riddles, that's no big deal. Drifting USA. Too much slide. I just hope I don't hit a tree and explode. Then I can change my name to Paul Walker.
Oh.
What? He's dead. Doesn't matter.
Best of. Too soon, man. Too soon.
Shut up. You're the one that wanted the club penguins earlier.
Right, that's different.
It's not different. It's still murder.
Penguins are generic, not somebody specific.
Oh, I could probably do that. Yeah, you want me to do that? Want me to put explosives on the car? Sure.
Here we go.
I don't know how well it'll work, but we'll do it. Oh! Thing is, I don't know where any enemies are. I've eliminated a lot of places. So, there may not be enemies that I blow up. Coming through. Oh! Well. Okay. There goes that adventure. Hello. What you shooting at, buddy? What you guys shooting at? Oh. Alright, let me just dispose of that for you. There you go.
Here we go. You're my hero.
Alright, I've learned how to make the entire ghillie suit. What it's gonna cost me now.
Woohoo! Adventure! Hi guys.
Here he comes, the king of the rebels.
Uh-oh. Game, please. Game, please.